Okay, we got Maxi. Oh my god, we don't know if you are playing with the Magnus. Let's see. We are playing with the Maxi. It's again a 2100 rated player, guys, and we are like getting a golden opportunities to play with such a players. I should have gone for the castle or onto the h6 to stop any pin and all. But yeah, if pins come, no problem. I'll be pushing pawn further. Then knight develops and queen can jump out. This is normally not getting played by any player. Some bot or what? He has not yet developed. What do you say, chat? Let's see. Oh, let's develop. Yeah, I thought for this. Is he really a bot or what? Now I can develop my bishop on b7, followed means after castling. Let me see. May 27. Played 192 games. Let's see. Sorry for some noise. My chair started giving some noise. I need to fix that. I'll fix it soon. Okay. We just go here. It's still nothing. It's going on. It's unrated game, guys. So queen on to d2. Should have pushed pawn further also, right? Is ready to give up bishop because the bishop is outside. This is the London type. Because we played the London actually. So now the game converted to somewhere else position. Let's see. So we are playing with Maxi Bog. What is this pronunciation? Bogus underscore GM. If it is a Magnus, he would have crushed me immediately after few moves only. After the, let me just go here. Yeah, after this he should have just simply pushed one further to attack my knight, and yeah, anyway it's getting to capture. But yeah, this will be some once. And he's thinking so long, I don't know. Is he really a 2100 rated player? He is not a Magnus. Because he joined, we just saw his profile. We just show you from here. Yeah, his profile is like, you know, he just opened a profile on May 27, and immediately within a 1 month he has reached 2100. He played only 240 games, out of which 78 win and 107 loss. Rapid is having 2200 rating, Bullet is having 2000 rating. Let's analyze his game. Okay, he captured after so long. So let me just see. 49% accuracy. It's some random guy who is using Magnus name. 1800 rated player also. How? Now he's thinking a lot again. So we just saw his first game, the latest game, where he was having just 49% accuracy, and the other opponent is having 76% accuracy. Yeah, he played a move. Okay. Let's capture. This was hanging. I could have just come back for the queen trades. Yeah, there was a miss actually. Could have come here, but yeah, I do have these supports. So we are just okay. I'm threatening to capture. Now let me calculate. For first, Okay, let's go on to the game. What? Yeah. One minute 30 seconds left. I thought for this move. Let's come. Ah, I should have gone for this. There is a back rank mate. But okay, let's see. It's heating up, guys. Now we are moving towards the end game, and its a time is also about to over. Let me just see. Still, it's a back rank mate. AP is missing. Let's see. 17 seconds left. Oh my god. 2100 rated player we are beating, and he just given up the knight over here to give the check and win the piece, but he forgot that there is a back rank mate. And finally, okay, we see there are two blunders and two mistakes from our end, but that is okay. We are playing against the 2100 rated player, so let's quickly do the analysis of it. Switch back. Okay, we have some comments, guys. Let me read out the chats. Okay, let me go here. Yeah, hey, what's up? Yeah, it's going well. Stream is going good so far. We just played two games with 2100 rated players, and first match we lost on the time where we were completely crushing, and I missed one mate in one. And the second game was, if you see the name, it's a Magnus name. I have seen this name of Magnus on Chess24. Someone is using it because it's a new account. Let me just show you. Let me just walk you through it. It's a Magnus new account. I don't know if it's a new account or what, but someone is using it. And but still he is having 2100 rated after 250 matches. So yeah, I joined. I don't know what you are exactly talking about. Where you join? Churit House is raiding with party of two. Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you so much for following Jurin, and what's your username? Haha9201. Thank you so much for following, and yeah, it's been going good so far with the match. Let me just analyze the game because I need to analyze to see, because I'm playing first time with the winning first time with the 2100 rated player, and it was a decent game, not I will say good game. Let me just analyze quickly where we missed and all, and then we can see for improvements and all. Thank you so much. So let's quickly do the analysis. Okay, whenever the knight comes back, okay, the engine is suggesting to go on to the d5, but I just feel, this is the pretty standard opening. When this bishop comes over there to pin your knight, you can just jump in, or maybe you can go to pin and win. So here the idea is, if you play something else move, the knight can jump in and you will be getting double attack on this c7. So I just don't wanna that, so I just simply went to capture and damage the structure. So here it has damaged pawn structure, and I'm ready for castle, but I'm just having fear that pawn storm can come, because he's a 2100 rated player. So I was not sure what is going to happen, so I just playing normal. And until this, okay, yeah, it is suggesting queen on to a5. That would be also a good idea, where you cannot stop these two pawns cannot be defended at a time. There will be only one pawn can be defended. Then I can simply capture this. Or what is the engine suggesting here? Engine is suggesting directly to develop and allow check. It comes again. So here you will be two pawn ups. So how did you end up playing such a high ranker player? Yeah, actually, you can go to the custom games. There you can catch the higher rated players, just to see, wait for the challenges, and then you will just try to grab the challenge. Then you will be capture any of the, most of the players are not playing. This is unrated match, that's why he played. But if you go and see rated players, they means the rated match, they don't play, they immediately abort the game. So I'll show you how to grab that as well. Here it's the move, then c4. It's again a check, and then if queen blocks, you will be capturing, and then it's like attack and all, but you cannot grab because it's dependent. But anyway, you can capture back with the pawn, and then further double support over there and the bishop development. So let's see. Yes, so let's go. I don't know, here he thought for almost 2 minutes to capture back. So this is ideally a very, even if a 1000 rated player, he knows that there is only force move, he can immediately capture back. But I don't know how that has happened. So, and then castle, because here it was hitting the pawn, and you don't want to allow the queen enters, and there will be some definitely the deadly attacks. So I just thought to go for a castle and allow for the queen trades, and he went for queen trade. Yeah, this move I spotted actually, but I just thought let's me see what engine is suggesting. Bishop to f1. Okay, but it is still okay, still not to be the problem. Capture, and you can capture back here. So yeah, you need to defend this. So bishop to b3. All right, rook to c8, support it and attack. These are the you'll eventually learn this. So okay, this is also cool move which we missed it, but yeah, here it can mate up with this, or maybe capture first. Yeah, and what is the next move? Bishop d3. Yeah, the captures not here. d3 would lead into the, I don't know if I'll be capturing back. So there is nothing. Knight on to d5, and then this, so on it will go. So let's see further. Yeah, here I just have the fear of I was just trying to calculate. Let me see if that is a blunder or what. It's not a blunder. If captures, I'll be capturing first, and if you capture, that will be the blunder. So you will capture first here, And what? It is still equal position. Knight on c3. Yeah, it is hitting, but you cannot come back to defend me. If you come, this will be blunder because it's a back rank mate. So you need to be play something like knight to c6. But yeah, eventually you are now capturing it. What it is suggesting after knight on c6. Yeah, rook takes a6. Yeah. Let's see further in the game. So here I was just trying to analyze. That was us. Let me just see. I am heading to sleep right now. Catch you later, Surya. Good luck. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, can go sleep well. So let's see. Here also it is asking to go capture with the bishop, but you know I just want to trade off the rooks. So pawn push is not a good idea. And then pawn push further. Yeah, this was a mistake. Rook to c8 it is suggesting, and I did play that move. Rook enters. Yeah, I missed that actually. I spotted this capturing it, but there is a back rank mate and he needs to save it. So I just thought of it and I didn't play that. So let me just see the last lines what we played. That was another blunder of pawn push, and I did captured here, and now he played the move, which is ultimately not saving the mate, and it was just a checkmate. So overall it was a very good game, and thank you so much guys for joining in. And let me just continue, catch the more players. Let's see.